Yeah, hi David, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you in your jukebox. This is your one there. Yeah, basically it's a straightforward fix. Let me just turn it out for you so you can hear it. You can just hear it there. Yeah, basically it's a straightforward fix. A very clean condition. Had a bit of use there, obviously. We just changed the laser on that one, giving it a full service for you, so the cogs are clean. And the micro switch we checked for you, so you're pretty much good to go on that. So thank you ever so much. You've got a 6-month warranty as well on that, and we really appreciate your business on this. And if there's anything else you ever need, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you very much, David.